to a little settlement called Philandersbron. It's very close to the Namibia border, and I think it's going to be about a 30-kilometer drive, round about there. I'm not 100% sure.
Okay, great.
Here we go, Philandersbron.
Okay, so I've heard Philander, the surname, many times.
Yes.
But I've never heard of the settlement.
No.
He's gone to pick them up from school,
How cute is that?
That is incredible.
Amazing. Hello.
That was so cool.
Cute, eh?
So I wonder if he drops them off in the morning too.
Most probably takes them to school and go and fetches them from school with his donkey cart.
Just love that.
Philandersbron.
Has what to offer? Oh,
Welcome in Philandersbron.
yeah. Upgrading. Oh, of 0.794, mind you, gravel road in Philandersbron.
Oh, not even a kilometer. Okay.
We'll take
Look how
it.
cute that is.
That is cute.
I wonder if I should go with the main road. They're busy with construction over there. That's the main route that they're fixing. The point something kilometers.
We can drive through there and see how far we get.
Yep.
Did you see David Kruiper municipality again?
Oh. Okay.
We can take the detour. Is this the section?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, well, at least they're doing it.
Yeah. Surprisingly busy area, eh?
Yes, I agree. Lots of goings on. And like you said earlier, a lot of people live out here.
Yeah, I'm surprised.
So they build up a gravel road too?
Yes.
Oh. I've been on a few that they can build up some more.
I've been on a few tar roads that can build up some more.
Let's not go there.
Are they expecting big rains that they're doing this?
Is this for stormwater?
Yeah.
Look at this old wall.
Sure. That is old, eh?
Yeah. We just take any road.
Yes, this is a paved road.
Shall I just say now that info about Philandersbron is very scarce. It's actually non-existent. Look at this light.
Yeah.
Lighting the whole area.
You can see it's new. I think this is a church. What do you call all the horses.
Wow, that's a lot of horses.
Yeah.
Lutheran Church.
1998.
Really?
Yes. He has one of those cob brick houses.
Oh yes?
Yeah.
With the straw in the mud.
Yes.
This must be the clinic.
Okay, that's the clinic there, yes. For sure. That bucky that passed us was the health.
Department of Health, I
Yes.
saw, yes. I'd like to go drive past there when we come down again. Yeah, this is what life should be like. Play with tires.
Yes.
And this, might this be a school?
Definitely a school.
Very neat. Babe?
This is a stunning school.
The places you bring me to never cease to amaze me.
This is Church Street we are in.
That would make sense. What would you
Primary school, Philandersbron.
It was 21 years old in 2018.
Okay.
So that would be like 97.
Hello.
Oh, so shy. Very neat school, eh?
Very.
Wow.
Hi. There's the clinic, yeah.
Kruipen. Okay. Primary healthcare clinic. Did you see the children at the back there with a wire car?
No, I didn't. I missed that.
So it's got like a deep little bed. So they've put in a pillow for the little sister to sit in, and they're pulling her around in this little wire car.
Crazy.
But she's very comfortable. The children are cute here.
They like a camera.
I like it how they just cool show you the thumbs up.
Yeah.
You see that? These houses all look fairly similar.
Yeah. Those
It's
are
a
the
cottage.
original.
Yeah.
They're water meters. They've got water. Stand above the ground.
Tiny. Water meter.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw.
It's like a periscope.
Yeah, exactly.
Call the goats.
There looks to be another church.
Yeah.
I'd like to read what's written in that blue circle. Verenigende Gereformeerde Kerk.
Okay.
Does that mean United Reformed Church?
Sounds like it.
I don't know the correct terminology.
21.
That's a very new building.
Yeah.
It's very neat.
It does, eh?
Yeah.
School kids coming home.
These don't come by donkey cart, they come by school bus.
Yes. Check.
Love the children here.
Yes.
Is this a shop?
Don't know.
Does that look like a shop to me?
It does, eh?
They're excited the school day is over.
Yep. So now a lot of them really try to make their little piece of ground pretty.
Yeah. This one has a shop on
Yeah.
the side.
Yes. First go down all the way.
Yeah. Neat this, eh?
Sure. Beautifully built.
Lots of little children here, eh?
Incredible.
What does that board say?
Consolidated Municipal Infrastructure Program, Philandersbron.
Okay. We always wonder how people sustain themselves other than grants, right?
Yes.
And agriculture. I don't know, do they do sheep farming here and cattle farming?
I think that's a big. I think more cattle in the area. I have no idea.
Yeah, I agree. I think so too. But now I've seen two houses. One where the gentleman does vehicle repairs, and there where someone gives piano lessons.
Oh, really? That's interesting.
Because they do earn money with little businesses from home, like we've so often heard.
Yes.
Hair salons, baking, sewing, that type of thing. Because somehow they have to sustain themselves.
Yep.
And that's not cheap nowadays. They have a nice long driveway.
Yeah.
Laundry is a big thing in Philandersbron. The ladies are very diligent with their laundry.
Sure.
Even now, and it's 2 minutes to 2 in the afternoon. This was another shop and it doesn't look like it operates.
Yeah.
I left here. It's another example of what you mean.
Yes, they really try to make it pretty.
Yes. Lively place with children, hey?
Yep, loads of kids. Looks like a preschool, nursery school.
Okay, I missed that.
Only because the tires are painted different colours.
It did say Bron Kids
Okay.
as I look back, so you're probably right. I think we've covered the little settlement.
Yes, bye. So yes, those high masts were a new project. Philandersbron is an interesting community.
Do you know what? I may never get here again, and I most probably will never get here again. But it's so good to see how some people live in these remote areas.
Exactly. And you know what I found very interesting is that from small till about 16, 17 years old, the children are all friendly. Everybody waves, smiles, happy. That I found very interesting.
Life is still simple for them.
Exactly. Playing with their tires and wire cars. No.
Oh, thank you. Thanks for bringing us here. It was great.